Hello, everyone. So now what we are going to do is we're going to come to our Link Wizard 2.0 and we are going to go from the dashboard. We're going to go to the setting. Once we come to the setting, we would need to. Today, I'm going to tell you, I forgot to mention about what we are going to do. What's this video all about? Well, this video is all about manage pixel. How do we go ahead and manage pixels? What are pixels? Well, in order to get a pixel, you would need to create a pixel ID if you do not have one already existing. And if you want to create any events in that case, you know, you would have to create lead or purchase events depending on you what event you basically want to create as per your requirement. Now, if you want to track the event results, you would need to copy and paste the event code in the footer of the destination website. Now, what happened is like, I'm going to show you how do we go ahead and add pixels out here. So we would click on manage pixel from the setting drop down. And I would go ahead and delete these two. There. So I have 0 pixel right now. So I would need to add a pixel. It asked me, it says add your pixel, select pixel provider. Now you can go ahead and you can select any pixel provider, any social platform on which you have your pixel ID already updated. It's already available out there. For example, you can get pixel ID from your Facebook page, from Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, or you can go ahead and customize the pixel. You can have a custom pixel done. Now I will go ahead and I'll show you how do I get a pixel from the Facebook. I would select the provider, pixel provider as Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and put the name as Chris FB Pixel ID. And I need a pixel ID out here. So I'm going to go out here. I have, however, I'll just show you how I go to this particular page. Facebook.com/events_manager. And I click on enter. Once I do that, I am here. Here is my pixel ID. I need to copy this. And I would need to go back to my link wizard, paste it here. And I would need to save this. Here is my pixel already created. Now, how do I use it? Before that, remember under the action, you can go ahead and you can edit this pixel at any point of time. In case, I'm sure you would not be able to edit the pixel ID, but if you want to go ahead and change your pixel provider, you can do that. If you want to change the pixel name, you can go ahead and do that. Even your pixel ID can be changed provided if you have any other social platform where you have your pixel ID updated. So I will just go ahead, and since I've already created this, I will go to the create dropdown, create a short link, and add my pixel out there. I'll show you how do we go about that. I would need to give a link out here. Let's say it would be youtube.com. I would come to the options below that, and I would click on add pixel. Once I do that, this is the pixel that I've already created, Chris FB Pixel ID. If you remember, I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to create short link. There you go. My short link has been created. I'm going to come back to the dashboard, and this is my short link that has been created. Now, if you notice, there is 0 click today. Total click is 0, and everywhere it's just 0, 0, 0, and you do not see anything else. So what I'm going to do is I've already explained these 5 options available out here. You can directly open the link, you can copy it, edit, clone it, or delete it. So I'm just going to go ahead and open the link out here. Before that, let me go to this page and let me also show you. When we click on details out here, it would direct us to the overview. This is the page view basically. Okay, so right now it shows 150 out here. page view is 150, 25 leads, 21 purchases, and this is the graph that has been mentioned out here. I'm going to go to YouTube, close this, come to my link wizard, and I'm going to just refresh this page. Once I refresh this page, if you remember, initially when we were creating this, everything was 0. Now we have 1 click, total click we have 1. And it also gives us the information of total clicks, browser status, referring channel, platform status, redirect, and block ratio. Well, apart from that, if you see the destination link that we had given was YouTube. So let's go ahead and open this link once again. And if you refresh this page, the clicks would change. It was 1 earlier when we had only 1 click, and now it shows 2. And so it changes out here as well. Now, when we go back to the Facebook pixel overview and then we try to refresh this page, so now you can see out here, when you come back to the Facebook pixel, you can see under the overview, it shows it was 150, and because we got 3 clicks, so it's gone to 153. The page view is going to show you 153. And also remember, it's going to show you out your leads and purchases. When you come right below the page and you see there is events from 9th October 2019 till 1st November, it's showing you the events from when it started. I mean, you started using the Facebook pixel and how you've been managing the events. So it's going to give you details. You can click out here and you can see the details for individual. On page view, you can view the details out here. Then lead, same you can do. You can even go ahead and manage from this place. This is the event code. And remember, when you come to the extreme right hand corner of the page, right below the create audience, create custom conversion, and setup, this particular tab out here, it says all days available. You can even go ahead and check. For example, if I put it for today, it's going to show me there were 6 clicks today. Okay, while I was creating this video for you, I did 3 clicks, and before that it was 6 clicks. So this is how the managed pixels would work. And now let's get back to Link Wizard. And again, let's go ahead to the setting tab and click on manage pixels. Now we need to go ahead and add a new pixel. So what I'm going to do out here is I'm going to go ahead and create a custom pixel. Once I create a custom pixel, I'll show you how it works. Now out here, I'm going to put Chris Test Custom. And you need to put a script out here, which will fire in the page overview of your client. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and put it right here. And I'm going to save this. Once I do that, my custom pixel has already been saved. I can anytime edit or delete this, depending on me if I want that. Now let's go to the create drop down, and from here create a short link. I would go ahead and put google.com add pixel. I will select the custom pixel, and I'm going to go ahead and create a short link. Once I create the short link, I would need to come back to the dashboard, go to my shortened links, click on this, it showed 0. And this is how the custom pixel is going to fire up on the web page for your client, for your leads, for your customer, whoever uses this particular link on their web page. It says, hello, I am in alert box. This was the custom pixel message that we had put in. We're going to click on OK. We're going to come back to the dashboard, do a refresh. Today's click 1, and it will give you all the rest of the information that you need. The destination link that we had put up there was google.com. Here's Google page that has been opened, and let's go ahead and try to click on this once again. Let's get back to Link Wizard, do a refresh, and check how many clicks did we get today. So the total click increased by one more, and the total is 2. Today's click is 2, the total is 2, and this is the rest of the information that you need for your pixel code, for your custom pixel. So this was all about, managing the pixel, how you would go ahead and create and add pixel. This is all about your managed pixel, all about, adding your pixel ID from any of your social profile where you have a pixel ID available, or creating a custom pixel in order to manage your pixels. Thank you. I will talk about the other features in a later video.